Maligayang pagdating. Before Vishwa Maali from 1980 to 2022. Pet Eternity.
Sige, salamat.
Hi guys. My baby. Mahal ko. Okay, let's go. Let's check Papa. Let's check Papa now. Manu. Where's Papa now? So, dito ka bibili ng ticket. May ticket ka na, Mother? Kasablong mga nanay si Atlas. Nasaan si Martin? Ayan. Eh, pinakakabilin yung car seat. Ayan. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Mahal ko. Hehehe. Let's go.
We have some fruit there now.
Huh?
What do you have in my bag for fruit?
It's under there.
One orange.
Yeah, and one apple. I will eat it. Papa, your bag is open. So, si Mother ang mama for today. Sir, okay lang naman po ito.
Opo, may ticket po kami.
Kasama ko. Thank you. So, it's allowed to film. Yes. Welcome to Manila, Sumahal. Mahal ko. Look at the zebra here. Come to Mama. Oh my God. Only one zebra? Looks like. So, we have one zebra here. Hi. Mahal. So, zebra from which country? Belongs to the family of horses. From Southern Africa, this one.
Ganda na pala siya. Pangalan siya, no? Black.
Mahal. It's only one.
Dati noon ay marami
Before it's
dito.
elephant here, Nanay. Remember?
Oo, nagpicture pa nga dito noon ng mga kuya. Ate, nung maliliit.
Papa, not like that. Wash his
Kasama. Ay,
name.
baka maano.
No, it's not allowed like that.
Look at the zebra.
Yeah, but don't do like that. It's dangerous.
Not dangerous, I'm holding him.
Yeah, but you'll never...
This thing is over.
His shoes, it's falling now.
Yeah, look, it's falling.
Yeah, see?
Shoes. I no need for shoes.
Only one zebra.
Noon ay marami dito.
Yeah, before it's elephant here. The entrance. And one big balete. There's always balete everywhere here in Manila. Peacock. There. Oh, nice color. Yeah, here. We can go. Here. We should go there first. Here first, maybe. Aviary. It's a lot of bird poop here.
Bird Atlas.
So it's full of birds here
Wow.
because it's full of poop. Oh my god, peacock. Mahal, look at that beautiful color.
The color. Ganda ng kulay.
Multicolored sport painted.
Tingnan mo.
Southeast Asia.
Si, Bibi. Tingnan mo, Bibi.
Ay, ito mahal.
Ganda ng kulay.
There.
Peacock.
How many peacock? It's a lot.
Ayun pa, oh. Ayun pa, oh. Ayun, oh. Paganda yung magagandang kulay ng dati nung may malaki dito.
But it's not a
Na
lot of
nakabukod.
birds. Duck.
Caladere. Yes.
Duck mahal.
Goose.
Ayun, anak kayo isa, oh. Yung malaki.
Goose. Goose?
Goose, yeah. Oh, so now we start your Atlas.
Yeah.
Bono yung malaki.
Fight
Dyan
around.
sa in Tagalog. Papa, look at that long legs. This one. Long leg and
They
long.
can be very
Yan
aggressive.
ay nanghahabol na.
Yeah. Long leg and long tuka.
Ano sa gad ang yung dito, ang takas na yan.
Oo nga. It's not dangerous to walk here. It's like dangerous to walk here. It's not so colorful.
Colorful. Nawala na yung mga colorful dito. Saka yung big peacock natin. Maliliit pa ang mga kuya.
Let's check here. Kuya Tedan?
Oo, Ate Dinos.
Kuya
Ang
Tedan.
kuya,
Ate
yung
Dinos.
dalawa. Nakapulo pa nga ang kuya. Kasama yung Tia Aida. Ako. Kaya ako kasi.
There's still lots of peacock. Indian blue peacock. Store.
Kanyang mga bakbakan.
Hmm?
Bigat. Ano mo siya? Paikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang yung ayun. Hindi nakakalayo siya. Gawa ng mabigat.
That's the girl.
Bibi, oh.
Yung walang, yung maiksi lang yung buntot.
Parang hirap
But
dalahin.
this one is a boy. Yung nakabuka. Yun ang girl, yung dalawa. Yung peacock girl. Sarado siya ng screen, pero wala namang birds.
Hanggang taas paano ay baka lumipad.
Nice, sa mga ibon. Pero kung parang wala akong... Uy! Oh my God! Nag-ingay na. Yeah.
Baka mag-aasawa. Ganda ng likod, oh, tingnan. Yung likod.
Ayan. Ayan ang peak.
Baka pag ano ay mag-aasawa sila. Yun ang babae.
Ganda ng kulay. Parrot, nanay. Parrot. Mahal.
Wow.
The bird.
Uy,
So loud out there.
red parrot.
Yan yata yung nagsasalita, di ba?
I don't know.
Sabi niya, nasipon siya.
Hmm.
Oh, ayan.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my God, lovebird. Hi. Hi. Parang sitlahan.
Nagsasalita. Doon sa aming kinabitan niya, yung nagsasalita. Sabi,
Hi. Map. Manila Zoo map. See, number 1 is elephant, but there's no elephant. Real elephant, no. I don't know if
There is
there's still
toilet
elephant.
there. And there's toilet. If you continue from the zebra, there's also toilet. And there's also toilet
Nice.
up here.
Nani is there now.
And there's a playground also for the kids.
We will play that. So may mga sign kung saan
How
yung
about the lion?
lion,
Crocodile there,
big cats,
there.
indoor reptile, monkey also.
Toilet to the right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Monkey is over there, Papa, if you want now. Okay.
Nara.
Huh?
Nara.
Yeah, this is national tree. Philippine national tree. Nara. Maliit pa siya. They planted 2024. So it's still baby, the Nara. This one is bigger, Nara. Oh yeah. Predators. White Bengal tiger. From I don't know. Oh, it's endangered now. Where's the tiger? Oh, there you go.
isa lang naman.
Only one tiger. Let's go there, Nana. Only one. Mahal. Uy! Uy, mahal ko. Let's go there.
Nasaan na anak?
Andun, ito. So everyone is following the tiger. Yeah, it's here. Keep distance. Uy, mahal. Here now. Uy!
Oh, very big.
Very mad.
Very big.
It's also
Baby,
endangered.
oh, nakangaman ako. Tingnan mo. Dangerous.
100 to 226 kilos.
Mahal. Bebe. Bebe. Bebe.
Endangered species na.
Tapang
Yeah. Wait, there, the water. You can swim there.
Tiger.
Papa.
Tiger. Tiger. Ano pa ito? Tumalo na ito.
Tiger. Hmm?
Tatago ako.
Hey, here you go.
Tiger! Tiger!
Sandali lang. Ayun na, ayun na. Oo, di ba? Ulit mo kasi.
Is that a tiger? Oo, kasi nag-alaga siya kaya kilala. Measure mo.
Oh,
Pero-
very mad.
1 year old. Pero lalapitan mo sa ngayon.
Very mad, mahal ko yung tiger.
Pero
Kami.
Okay. Nanay, huwag mo na i-under at sinusundan pa ng Marco. This one?
Kill the one stripe. Claw. The claw there. See the
Okay.
claw, big claw?
Yeah?
Maarap po.
Okay, you can open your leg.
Nakpicture mo diyan para
Oh.
maganda.
Marco, sit down there, mama. Huwag ka kaharap.
Oh!
Nakatingin sa Bebe.
Wow.
Nanay, paharap ka dito. Picture ako sa Agnes. Hawak mo lang ganyan. Video yun. Yan, ganyan lang. Mahal! I'm scared maybe.
No, you don't want to.
Okay, standing.
Wow.
Mahal! Uy! Ay, sorry po. Mahal ko! Are you scared, mahal?
Where's the bird? Bah. Bah.
Doon sa harap.
Mahal!
Very
look at
big
Mama
chicken.
here. Atlas!
Kaya nakapicture.
It's so cute. Scared.
Oh, yeah.
He
Painful,
is
right?
afraid.
Careful at that.
Anak, ano ang tawag ng tapos?
I don't know what kind of...
Ano, basahin mo nga. Walted Pastel.
Bobo. Friend.
Mahal. Ay. Careful, mahal ko. Precious. Mahal. $300. Mahal pa. Tak.
Siguro pakain dyan eh.
Maybe. They eat meat. Carnivores. Do not tap or bang on the glass. So it's from Africa again, this lion.
Ay.
Bagong hospital ng Maynila. Katabi lang siya ng Manila. From Africa or India and India. Looks tired, this lion. They're tired. So another one, tiger.
Tiger.
I think the other one is albino tiger and this one is color
Color
orange.
is orange.
Over there.
Oh, big. Tiger.
It's so calm. It's only calm, this one, compared to the other one.
In the target na.
Hmm? Mahal
Wow.
ko, look at that.
Wow.
Very big cat.
Yeah.
Pusa.
Pusa. Malaking pusa. Not pussy. The woods are filled with a wild... What is it? Frolicsome life. Papa, what's... frolicsome life. What's frolicsome? Frolicsome life. And it's all perfect. Yeah.
Lively.
Lively.
Frolic some life. I don't think it's really correct. Oh, kolla här
So
då.
here's the toilet. I will use the toilet first, Papa. Okay. Nanay, mag-toilet lang ni. Mag-toilet lang ako. So here's the toilet. Tapos ka na, mother? Ganda yung toilet nila. May bidet kahit pa paano. Labas na ako, mother. Pambabae and panlalaki. May mirror also here. Marami naman toilet kahit saan. Oh, ostrich na Philippine beer. Oh, we have Philippine beer also. Pwede rin na. Mahal! Who's... Ay, pak! Ay, talaga.
That's what you're laughing at, huh?
Isis, ang mahal ko.
More fun to walk around.
For him. So it's an ostrich, this one. Where's the Philippine deer? This one is from Africa also.
Iba pa rin pala ano kayo. O partners lang. Iba lang ang kulay.
Parehas lang, same lang.
Iba lang.
Ang taas pa na nila, no? I cannot see the Philippine deer. May Philippine deer daw dito. Hindi ko pa nakikita. Oh yeah, nakita ko na there. Over there. Yeah. Meron din palang deer ang Philippines. Eh? Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Papa, I didn't know that we have a deer also in the Philippines.
I didn't know either.
I didn't know.
Doon tayo mo.
Ayun.
Ang pinakahal.
But it's not yet.
Let me grow like this. Very
Ayun. It's not endangered, right?
vulnerable.
Vulnerable for now. Huh? Maybe. Oh, I just found out today that we have deer also. There, yung Philippine deer. 245. So it's a family with the 3 kids. Yeah. 5 deer. 7 total, I think. Huh?
African lion
What?
dito.
Savannah.
Here.
With the
Yeah, it's like up and down, right? How they made it. Also. So meaning, the deer only eat plants maybe? Herbivores, yeah. Because they can mix it to ostrich, no problem. I put it on the top. Uy, Papa Crocodile. Mahal.
Oh.
Only one.
Ano ng crocodile?
Ha?
Anong crocodile? Ano naman?
Buhaya.
Ay.
In Tagalog. Buhaya. So this is the government. Buhaya.
Laki ano?
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Big lizard. Mahal ko, look.
Oh.
Mahal, look at the crocodile. Are you scared? No.
Crocodile. Hindi na nakita ko. Ang ngipin, oh. Ang ngipin.
Look at mahal ko.
Ito, nasa
It's not crocodile. Crocodile. Marcos, stand here. I think it's stuck now.
Mangangagat na siya.
Ayan na ang buwaya. Oh, sige.
Anong papansin basta nakabalik?
I don't know.
Oh.
Ayan.
Hindi sila gumagalawan.
Yeah, looks like they're tired. I don't know.
Looking at the big.
Saltwater crocodile or buwaya. Kukunti ng animals nowadays.
Nasa ampaan ko rin.
Ayun na yun nandun sa
Ano? It's big, this one. Siguro sobrang tanda.
Marco!
Buhaya.
Buwaya! Si Big Buwaya. Uy, mahal. Big crocodile, mahal. Mas big this one. Yeah, mahal. Okay.
Look at the head. Hindi mo yung head, oh.
Anak nasa ang bibig
Ang
niya.
laki.
Ito ah. Yan ang bibig niya.
Yeah, yeah.
Yan naka-ice na yan.
Yeah, the...
Tapos hanggang doon. Parang lagi.
Mahaba. Si Big Buwaya. Turtles, mahal. Start na po. Daming mga pagong. So, yun yung food nila.
Wow.
Wow, mahal ko.
Simara na sir eh.
Wow.
Uy.
Mga sea turtles yan eh. Oh, talaga?
So man, it's swimming everywhere.
Yeah.
Come on, Manu.
Mahal.
Ito, meron. Dito yung turtle.
Let's go.
Nagutom na.
Here.
Ay, kumain.
May orange na rin doon. Kainin mo muna. Ah, it's a big turtle here. There, kita mo na na. Kung ano na yung mata mo. Ay, ano laki.
Ay, oo, kita ko ba? Naganan
Dalawa. Meron pa rin dito. Parang malulungkot ang animals dito.
Siguro nag-aaway. Kaya may kanya-kanya silang ano. May pinakang harang.
Ay, gusto mo lumakad? Okay ka na? Pa-okay pa yung nila.
Dito, Manu, mas malaking turtle. Malaking.
Pinasa na na ano.
Wala pa.
Dito kayo mag-inom. Dito sa